Tawa pulao is a popular street recipe of Mumbai made with steamed rice and lots of veggies. So let's start making it. So first for the tawa pulao we are supposed to soak the rice. So here I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice. We'll wash it in 2 to 3 waters and then leave it to soak for about 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's make a very simple yet delicious raita. So for that I am taking about 3/4 cup of grated cucumber. To it add in a cup of curd, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder, some salt and a good amount of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now just mix it well. The raita is all ready and sometimes I think it is a must with the pulao. I'll keep this to refrigerate by the time we cook the pulao. But before that, let's soak in some red chilies, for it will give a nice orangey red color to our tawa pulao. I have taken about 5 to 6 de-seeded red chilies. You can of course increase or decrease on the spiciness, and now we will let this soak in hot water for at least 20 minutes. It's been half an hour, so in a kadai, take enough water to boil the soaked rice. As the water heats up, to it add half a teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, half teaspoon of salt, then add in all the soaked rice. I have already drained all the water from it, so add in all the rice, give it a stir, cover it with a lid and let it cook on medium to high flame. You just need to cook it till it's 80% done and make sure you don't overcook it. It's been 8 minutes, so let's check on the rice. The rice is easily flattening out and is soft enough, so switch off the flame and put it through a strainer. Here if you feel that the rice has been overcooked, then just wash it with some cold water as the cooking process continues till the rice is hot. Here I don't need to wash it, so we will spread it into a big plate and let this cool down completely. In the meanwhile, let's make our red chili paste. So into a grinder jar, add in the soaked red chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now add 1/4 cup of water and blend it well. Our red chili paste is ready and also the rice has cooled down. So let's start making the tawa pulao. So in a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now as the oil heats up, add about 1 tablespoon of jeera and let it sizzle. Now add in the red chutney, 1 teaspoon of sont powder and then add all the veggies. So first goes in 1/4 cup of green peas, 1 cup of thinly sliced tomatoes, half a cup of thinly sliced capsicum. Next goes in 1 cup thinly sliced cabbage and 1/4 cup of French beans. Now mix everything well and coat all the veggies with the chutney. Now add in a very little water, cover it with a lid and let this cook on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the veggies are nicely cooked. So now add in the boiled rice and mix it well. Now add in 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and the right amount of salt. Now give a final stir, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot. Enjoy this with some chilled raita and let us know how did you like it in the comment section below.